Goko Nekwa Kikuyu podcast. Another sad day in Kenya. Ati thirikari netiganite na free education. Mama mboga, mtu wa bodaboda na andu aria angi anini maribidigi o mundu ogere ngiri 6 he school fees ya mwana wake.
One thing I wanted to say is, imagine wametoa capitation ya education yenye ilikuwa inasaidia mtu wa chini, mtu wa bodaboda, mama mboga na nini. So come next term, you need to put at least 6,000 more on what you've been paying. But again,
todo government nira scrapped free education. This free education yafaki akime introduce ayiko nayo 14 good years. Uhuru akimekora aika nayo 14 good years. Ruto 3 years daini wagiti giake aoka ara scrapped kana riu nihereti education system. Ogirora population area yari kuo Uhuru agioka kuma na population area ikuo within 3 years it's just the same. Niki Ruto araremano ni free education system, yet ye introduced more tax gukira iria Uhuru ari nacio. Payslip ya Mukenya igiritwo more than Uhuru amigirite. No they know you wothe umite ku. Number 1, todahane ho thina umite kwina ghost school shikuo nyingi muno. Let me give you example na video nda makira haha. Kuria mwena wa Bomet kwina shukuru ati watumirwo million 50 through another school. Na million icio na shukuru ucio it's a ghost school, ti shukuru ora exist egetumirwo 50 million. Now I did just a calculation. Tokora gitweka o mwana ekwongera ngiri 6 we he school fees kuringana story iria cikuai. I did some calculations. Now ici ni million 50 to divide na million 50 ni to divide na ngiri 3 icio muceri kuongerai tuone ni ciana cigana cigia korwo covered ni mbeca icio. Na calculation yakwa iranjira 8,000, more than 8,000 pupils or students ni magia korwo covered ni mbeca icio tumeirwo ghost school. Na kwatika atiriri ghost school ici ona ti imwe ethini wa bũrũri wa Kenya ni nyingi. Now itana mukia video niguka tuhutie uhoro wa empowerment. Mbeca nyingi cia waste thini wa empowerment. Guys, just know mbeca ici cia thini wa empowerment gutire handu yani stile thini wa kiria gutire handu ati kora twika stile thini wa budget. That is mbeca empowerment stile thini wa budget. Ati budget ino budget empowerment it's not there. Mbeca ici ciumako mamilioni ma mbeca maria mahuthira o muthenya. Mbeca icio stiganite gutwarwo thini wa mashukuru. Kindiki hapa ataona moto ino video ya ghost schools.
Responsibility of providing infrastructure largely to NGCDF, which has limited resources.
On the issue, we talk about Bomet High School, received 50 million. Bomet High School does not exist, but you send this money through Tenwek.
Guys, nimuna kuria besha shirathie ghost schools mwena wa Bomet, underline Bomet. Now rewe agiko icio wekuo na njira ino woikarate reke turore empowerment na uhoro uyu by the end of the day ni ukurehera Kindiki thina. And if I were Kindiki no kuwa uhoro wa empowerment twambe tuwige kando, twambe tushugurikire maundu maria mabata thiini wa bururi wa Kenya. Niki mbeca nyingi muno ni ciekirwo thiini wa empowerment. Remember, mbeca iria ciatwo thiini wa empowerment stiri thiini wa kindu tuwita kiria stiri thiini wa budget. Gutiri handu ati budget allocatetwo ya mbia cia kindu wita empowerment. Remember, mbeca ici citiruma mihuko-ini ya wanasiasa, and of course ciama kobasi-ini cia Mukenya kana kobasi-ini ya mihuko-ini ya Mukenya. Why are they using all this money in empowerment, yet education system niyo nego collapse ya collapse? Tigo collapse ya collapse, already it has collapsed. Why use a lot of money kugeria kwendia regime eno? Because what's the aim of empowerment? Ni kugeria kwendia regime eno yendwo ni andu. But of course haya kinyete andu matingenda regime eno ringi. Niki murageria gutindikiriria andu kwenda regime eno? Already rejected regime mukauthira mbeca uguo. As we speak, kuna ituge igiri cia gibururi cihutitio. Kuna ituge igiri. Igituge namba 1 ni education sector. Igituge namba 2 health sector. Education sector na maigwa riu doesn't matter when mamboga we mbodu boda boda we bottom up. So education system training bandi kwa watu ya ODM ni expert matoro kuria. Expert wagani hawa? Ni expert wagani hawa ODM walipelekwa huko? Badi, now I don't know, your case is different because wewe ulipelekwa pale kama expert lakini umejikuta pale pabaya. Okay? Number 2, health sector. Ola shani wehete thina muno. You have seen for yourself. Tukirutwa kuma kwa NHF, tugitwara thini wa SHA, na SHA no nirehete thina mwingi muno. Now what will happen to Kenyans? Education system ya thirai. Kiriwe witwa kiria kiriwe witwa health sector ya hutio. Then know what will happen? Ciana nyingi cigutiga uthie cukuru. Niki aciari ingi special kule icagi-ini matiehotete. Muciari wa mwetia ngiri ta 6 arira mwana wake school fees. Ciana ta 5 cithi wa cukuru imwe. Icio pata mne ngiri cigana? Icio ni ngiri 30. Muciari ucio ekuruta wira uriku? Na muciari ucio athia gibarua kia 200 kana 300 o muthenya kurimia. Definitely ciana cikuhota guthoma, and that's why Mwai Kibaki introduced free education system. Goria tiriri aya andu magoka campaign atia mwaka wa 2027. Then ni megucokia. You see, you create crisis, then you come and you create crisis, then o campaign na crisis hiyo. No igo wakiona makahe free education system, of which this crisis ni yenye makirietete. The worst thing, eno thirikari no it access Akenya makiria wa thirikari iria ngicikoetwo cia mbere. Where is money going, ladies and gentlemen? Matigio ati ni horo wa kiria housing ni Mukenya tinagio bia through house levy. Mukenya wothe uria wandiketwo, Mukenya wothe uria thini wa payslip ni atinagio house levy. So ona nyamu icio thirikari iraka o Atalanta ndinyo ya kile au ati kiwanja kiu ni bond ya billion 44. So the tax what if afatro na irako, and so on and so forth. So where is Kenyan money going to, ladies and gentlemen? Kione kile kinene tugia kinya mwaka 27 tuthiwe ko tunagete muno andu agai. This regime need to do something. Education system tinyamu ya guthakira. Anyway guys, it is what it is. Guko ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Manu Michael, Thank you. God bless you.